Cedar plank salmon. Look, I caught the plank on fire. I've got an I Dream of Drizzle sauce that's really yummy. This is super easy to make. Let's do it. Today we're cooking cedar plank salmon with I Dream of Drizzle sauce. And you're just gonna get a plank like this from the grocery store or Amazon. And I soaked it in water for about an hour, hour and a half, and I'm just warming it up on the grill right now. This is what it looks like. Just warming it up, pre-warming it. I'll just put that right there like that. And I've got some salmon. Let's see what the butcher gave us yesterday. We've got some fresh, wild-caught salmon. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks like about a pound and a half. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this preheated plank and I'm going to put some lemon on it, like this. I'm going to lemon line the plank, just like that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on the bottom, like that. Because you can eat the skin too. There we are. Skin side down, just on the lemon like that. I'll move this so you can see it. Just like that. That plank's still hot. And I put a little bit more pepper and a little bit of salt. This is such an easy recipe. I cooked on a fishing show for 3 years, and for salmon, this is my favorite salmon recipe. So it looks like this. Can you see that? And I'm just going to put it directly on the heat. I want this thing on fire. So it's going to pop and crackle, and we'll come back to that. Okay. Easy cleanup. When I was developing this recipe, Jennifer really liked this sauce, and she dreamt about it. So I called it I Dream of Drizzle. And I'm going to turn this on. And this sauce is keto now. So we're going to use half a cup of balsamic vinegar, a good balsamic. I get mine from Costco. It's pretty good vinegar. And we're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of tamari. And we're going to go with 3 tablespoons of powdered erythritol. And we're going to reduce this down. It takes about 15 minutes. That's going to take 20 minutes, 20 to 30, depending on your heat. I've got 2 burners on right now, and I'm at about 350 degrees. You're going to see some smoke starting to come up. We're going to get this thing on fire. So I'm going to put this in, just like that. We'll just reduce it. That's the balsamic. There's the tamari and the powdered erythritol. This is so easy, and that is such a yummy sauce. You can put that on vegetables, bacon wrapped asparagus. Oh, that's really good on that. I'm going to let this go for a couple of minutes. Okay, I think we've got some fire. We want to extinguish some of this. So this is what it looks like. See that? Just want to put it out. We're smoking the salmon, right? So we go like that. And we do it again. That's just plain water. Now you can see this is coming to a nice simmer. This will reduce down. Lots on the go here. Okay, so the sauce is reducing nicely here, and I can definitely hear this cooking, and I think I've got some smoke again. I'm going to put this fire out again. You can see, like that. We're smoking it. It's a smoked salmon, so that's what we're doing. That's coming along. You just have to watch it. You just have to babysit it. The plank, it can catch on fire, and it smokes it. It makes it really, really yummy, especially with the cedar and the balsamic. This is coming down nicely. Just a couple more minutes on this. Okay, so the I Dream of Drizzle sauce has finished. It's reduced by half, and it looks like molasses, actually. If you take a look from the down shot here, you can see how thick that is. And it's really yummy. Okay, I think I see some smoke here. Yep. This will be the last burn for this. It's doing its job. That looked good. Look at the side on that. Can you see that? That looks good. I'm just going to check the temperature on this. I use a thermopen. It works really well, and it reads just instantly. Just in through the side there, and we're at 77. I like to take it up to 130. That's my magic number for this particular cedar plank salmon. Okay, I think it's done. I'm just going to check with the thermopen. I want to get to 130 degrees. That's my go-to. It's kind of thick in the one spot there. So that's 130. So look at this. If you don't catch it on fire, you're not doing it right. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at the lemon. Lemon's all caramelized. And so here's the I Dream of Drizzle sauce. So I'm just going to put this in the bowl here. This will last us probably, this sauce, we'd be eating that for probably a month. Look at how thick and runny it is. And you just use a little bit with the salmon so that smoke, the aroma from the salmon and the cedar plank is just unreal. That's just, it's nice and golden brown. Looks so yummy. Thanks for watching.